Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to block the nearby device's permission on Snapchat using the latest settings layout. If you're concerned about privacy or just want tighter control over what your apps can access, this is a simple change that makes a difference. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device-level controls live, including app permissions. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your device. Different phones label this section slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the list of all installed apps. Now scroll through the list and find Snapchat. Tap on it to open the app's detailed settings. Here you'll see several options related to how Snapchat interacts with your device. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. This section shows everything Snapchat is allowed to access, like your camera, microphone, and location. Next, look for the option called Nearby Devices. This permission allows Snapchat to detect and interact with nearby devices, which isn't always necessary for normal use. Tap on Nearby Devices and you'll see a few options. To fully block this access, select Don't Allow.